There are a lot of ways you can do it. If you're worried about aesthetics, I would try and match the material that the hole is on or in, such as siding. Try and find a new piece of siding to replace that. At Parker Eco Pest Control, we like to use wire mesh and staples, screws, or some sort of foam if you're unable to drill in or staple in the mesh material. Anything that has metal and will not move is going to be a lot more successful than just some expanding foam itself, as mice can chew through just about any product like that. That's how you can fill in a mouse hole.